Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, verify the operating system and note the current cursor so you can revert if needed. On Windows, open Settings, go to Devices, choose Mouse, then click Additional Mouse Options. On Mac OS, go to System Settings, Accessibility, Pointer Control. Once done, make sure you have admin rights and any custom cursor files ready because you will change system pointers. This first step places you at the Control panel, where cursor schemes and files are accessible. Now you perform the core action. Select a built-in scheme or import custom. Cur or Ani files by clicking Browse, Windows Expects. Cur for static and Ani for animated pointers. On Mac OS, change cursor size and contrast in accessibility or use third-party tools to swap pointer images, follow tool instructions, and grant accessibility permissions. Once you import, assign files to each pointer state. Normal select, busy, text I-beam link. Make sure to test each state so behavior matches visual design. Finish by applying the new scheme and saving or exporting it for backup because you may want to revert later. If the cursor doesn't update immediately, reboot and check for theme or display driver conflicts. Sometimes high DPI scaling or accessibility settings override custom images. Make sure to test after restart. If problems persist, revert to the saved scheme or run a system restore point. This restores original files and settings, which fixes most installation or permission-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.